jüdische Mama. I need her more than ever now. My jüdische Mama. I'd love to kiss her wrinkled brow. I long to hold her hand once more, as in days gone by, and ask her to forgive me for things I did that made her cry. How few were her pleasures. She never cared for fashion style. Her jewels and her treasures, she found them in her baby smile. Oh, I know that I owe what I am today to that dear little lady who's gone away, to that wonderful Yiddish mama. Mama, Mama of mine. In Wasser, in Feuer, wollt sie gelaufen vor ihr Kind. Nicht halten, du's Seier, du's wollt gewähnt, die größte Sehnt. Ui, wie glücklich und reich ist der Mensch, wo sonst als a schöne Matune gebencht für Gott. Such a wonderful Yiddish mom.